Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope all of you are having a fantastic winter break. This is the first video in my new classroom. I'm moving into a new classroom over break, and I thought, why not christen the new room with a YouTube video? So this video is going to be on the area model for solving 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problems. So I am going to demonstrate the steps for that. I might need to turn off the light because the light's kind of messing up my swagger right now. Hang on. Here we go. Better. Bring it up. All right. There we go, like that. And I'm going to write the problem so it's a little bigger so all of you can see it here. So 54 times 23. That's what we got to solve. So when we solve problems using the area model, this is how we would set it up. 54 times 23, so 5 is in the tens place. That is a value of 50. 2 is in the tens place for this number. That's a value of 20. So in 54, the 5 in the tens place has a value of 50. The 4 in the ones place has a value of 4. In 23, the 2 in the tens place has a value of 20. And the 3 in the ones place has a value of 3. So this is how we would set it up. We have the 50 to represent 5 tens. We have the 4 to represent 4 ones. And then going down, we have 20 representing 2 tens and 3 representing 3 ones. So in this box, what we were going to do is multiply 50 times 20. In this box right here, we're going to multiply 20 times 4. In this box, we're going to multiply 3 times 50. And in this box, we're going to multiply 3 times 4. And then once we've multiplied these 4 different parts, we have to add them together. So it doesn't really matter which one you start with. I like to start with the single digit and work my way up. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 20 times 4. So again, with the digits ending in 0, what you would do is you would multiply the single digit number. You'd pretend that the 0 is not there. You would multiply 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. And then you're going to add the 0 to your answer. So 2 times 4 equals 8. And then we're going to add that 1 0. And we have our answer to 20 times 4. 20 times 4 equals 80. 3 times 50. So again, 3 times 50 is going to be the same thing as 3 times 5. Only difference is that you add a 0 to your answer. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Now if we add a 0 to the number 15, we have 150. Biggest problem up here, 50 times 20. So we're going to multiply 5 times 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now we're going to count how many zeros we have in the problem before we get to the equal sign. 1, 2. So since we have 2 zeros within the problem, before we get to the equal sign here, I'm going to add 2 zeros to my answer. And we have 1,000. So now, to figure out our final answer, we just have to add our 4 separate answers up. So we have to add 1,000 plus 150 plus 80 plus 12. Now, if you don't want to add all those numbers up at once, you can add up 1,000 plus 150, add 80 plus 12, and then add your 2 answers together. It's an extra step. Well, I'll show you both ways. Either way, you'll get the right answer. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 2. 2 in the ones place. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Plus 8 equals 13. Plus 1 equals 14. So 14, there's a 4 in the tens place, so 1's going to get carried over to the hundreds place. 0 plus 1 is 1, plus the 1 that we carried over is a 2. Now we have a 1 in the thousands place. There's a 0 in the thousands place for every other number. When there's no digit, we just assume that the digit is 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 1. And our answer is 1,242. Now, another way to do that, if adding all 4 numbers together is a little too difficult, you can do it this way. You can add your 1,000 plus 150. And you can add your 80 plus 12. And then add those 2 answers together. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 80 plus 12 is 92. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So we have 1,150 plus 92. Zero plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 9 is 14, so 4 carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 0. So either way, you get the same answer. Our answer is 1,242. Either way, you get the same answer. Some people like to add all the numbers at once. Some people prefer only adding 2 numbers at a time, which takes an extra step. But either way, it'll get you the right answer. But that's the area model. You multiply. You break the number down. You break the number down into 4 different parts. You multiply each part, and then you add the 4 different multiplication problems together to get your final answer. So that is my video on the area model. Debating, do I want to end the video with a dunk? Oof. Well, you know what? I do want to end the video with a dunk. I don't have a lot of time. I got to get out of here. I got 10 minutes before I got to leave. So I am going to end the video with one dunk, bringing the camera with me. Got to go across the hall to the room that I am moving out of. So I am going to dunk it one time. Here we go. We ready? We jump up. One dunk to end it. Shout out to all my 4th graders. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope my video was helpful. All right. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know if this video was helpful. If there's another area of math that you're struggling with, that you're having some difficulty with, let me know that as well, and I will do another video on it. Same thing with language arts. If there's an area of reading or writing that you're having a difficulty with, write the skill that you're having trouble with in the comments. I'll do a future video on that as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope everybody has a great vacation, and I look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday, January 2nd. Or is it January 3rd? I got to check the calendar. But I look forward to seeing all of you when we're back in school, and I hope that you have a great vacation. Stay safe and have fun. You know what? I'm gonna keep y'all on here just because I want the video to be over 10 minutes. So I'm gonna erase the board. Always, when you finish something, always good to clean up. Always good to clean up before you leave. All right. See all of you later.